Hello and welcome to Kit's Photography. I'm Kit from Bremac Photography here in sunny South Australia. Welcome to my channel. Hello and welcome to the episode. This time I'm looking at the Nikon D850 again. Now this is a workhorse of a camera here. It is the best of both worlds when it comes to mirrorless and when it comes to DSLR. Personally, I prefer the DSLR to mirrorless purely because you get a bit more versatility with it. And you do get the option of both using either mirrorless or a DSLR. Now the frame rates with this camera are obviously 7 frames per second without the battery grip, but 9 frames per second with the battery grip. Now that 9 frames per second is a full non-compressed photograph. So you're looking at about 100 megabytes per image times 9 per second. That's a lot of data at the full 46 megapixels. Now there is a little known setting, however, which allows you to take up to 30 frames per second, but using live view. So essentially the same as using a mirrorless camera by locking up the mirror. I'm going to show you how to do that today, and the team and I are going to do an experiment by dropping a dart onto a dartboard through a balloon and to see whether the D850 can actually capture that, if it is fast enough to capture something that happens in a millisecond essentially. So let's go and have a look. So the first thing you have to do here is put on live view, which is this button just here. But I'm going to make sure that it is set to camera. And then after that, what one needs to do is go to the info button, and then we're going to go through. You can do this with your with a touch screen if you wish. Now silent live view is what we want. So what we're going to do is set that to mode 2, and that'll now take 30 frames per second. So now that you've set that to the right setting, what we're going to do now is push the shutter down and hold it down. And let's just see how many photographs we just took. We just took 90 photographs in those 3 seconds. So as I said before, I'm using the D850 with a 200 to 500mm lens, and the reason for this is that obviously dropping a dart and sitting very close could be of danger to my face. I don't want to get too close to it, so I'm going to be sitting right back. And okay, let's try dropping some darts. Now that we've set that up, let's see what it looks like to drop the dart in real time.
2, 1. 1.
Now let's look at that at 240 frames per second. That's 10 times slower than real life.
Three, 2, 1. 1. slow these down.
No, we won't need to, I'm sure.
That one really stuck in. It was good.
Oh.
Three, two, one. One. Three, two, one. One. Three, two, one. One.
Well, that's been Kit's Photography for this week. I really hope you enjoyed our little dart experiment. The D850 really is a workhorse that does such a fantastic job at taking photographs as an all-rounder. What this has proven today is that you can use this camera for wildlife and sport, especially those really finicky wildlife photographs where things happen in an instant. It really has been a great experiment. I hope you've enjoyed it. So please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.